Professor Liu is going to teach you how to do 43 access exam. First, you need to download 43 access exam from SAM. Once you download them, and let's open the database. Let's learn to see what you're going to do for this. Okay, so for this program, you are going to simulate Midwest Executive Professional Company. And the goal is to improve a database by creating modified table, query, forms, and report. So Midwest Executive Professional is a company that connects professionals, job seekers with job openings. So you are a research analysis for this company. You are developing an access database application to help and manage, analyze companies, jobs applicants, and job placement facilitated by your company. So number one, you are going to design, you are going to go to the application table, right here, application table, and go to design view, and then modify the table. That's our first goal. So go to design view. Okay, we modify this table by first we add another field. It's called follow update. All right, follow update. It's also date time. The data type is also date time. I finished that. Then the ID, I want to modify as application ID. All right. Oh, I already have ID. So application ID. So it will be modified as application ID. Okay. So we done. After we done this one, we save it and we close. All right. Let's move on to number two. So number two say add the job seeker table. All right. So job seeker table, and we do two things. First, we're going to go number 14 to delete it and number 10 add it. Okay, and enter some new numbers right here. So let's see how we do it. Okay, so we are going to go to job seeker table, press enter. All right, so they want us to do add the data sheets view. This is data sheets view. There are 514 of them, but they want to go to number 14. So let's go to 14 and go all the way to the end, and that small box type 14. All right, so Richard, this person need to be deleted. Probably already leave the company. You have a noise because they want to warn you you delete something. All right, and let's go to number 10. So number 10, you don't want to just look for it. You want to use a computer to check for you. And right here, John want to change to Jonathan. All right, so let's type Jonathan. So we change to Jonathan right now, and I'm save it. And I have to do another one. I'm going to add a new record. So all the way here has arrow key here, and the last one called new blank record. We click on that one, and ignore the auto number here. Just go ahead, type the phone number 555-111-8887. And the first name is Leonardo. Okay. Then last name is Egan. All right. So, and we save it. All right. Then we are going to close it. So next step, we're going to step 3 right now. Step 3, go to this called navigation pane, and a table called category. Category is going to rename to industrial. So let's come here, right click it, and rename. All right, so rename. And so I'm going to type is industrial. All right, press enter. So I'm done right now. All right, so that's coming to our step 4. Step 4, and we are going to use import wizard to append record to the industrial table. We just saw it. All right, so we are going to right here. To import anything from outside, you have to go external data and from Excel. Okay, and look for the file you save. So I save into my Access 43, and that's the Excel file. I open it, but it tells you need to append it. Append into the industrial, the one you just did it, industrial. Okay, so make sure that's a right source. Make sure it's append. Make sure it's industrial. Then you say okay. Next, the name from industrial. Double check. Finish. Nah, no need to save. So close. All right, so we finished number 4. Then let's move on to number 5. Okay, so number 5 is a little bit more work right there. We are going to create a table from table design, and we are going to do quite a lot of steps to add the new fields. Okay, so let's start to do it right now. Also, we're going to put the import mask wizard. So this one is fun, very fun. Let's start it. First, we're going to go to table design. Okay, so we create right here, and let's go to table design. All right, add the table design here. It say enter the name. We're not going to enter right away. Okay, we are going to add the first field. The first field is employee ID. All right, and the data type is number. Is a number. Then we have to make it as a primary key. All right, so now we have this. We can save right now. So file and save it. And now this time you can call the employee. All right, we save it right now. Let's continue. We have one tab right now, one field. Let's go second field. The second field is employee first name first, okay? And is a short text. Is a short text. And the short text limitation is 20. So 20 characters. Let's do another one right now. So employee last. And it's also a short text. Also, limitation is 20. Once you do that, we are continuing. So we have 3 fields right now. Next field is email. And we want a hyperlink data type. Then, not only that, add the, oh, sorry, I did it wrong. Hyperlink right here. Sorry. We are going to do it. All right, select item for the list. All right, so let me just do that first so I can fix. Okay, this one is a hyperlink. I entered the wrong way. Okay, not only that, this has to be required. So we're going to change to yes. All right, so after next one is currency. Okay, so after that is a salary. A-R-Y. Remember I made a mistake. Actually, it's a currency. So salary is a currency. Not only that, there's a default value. So whoever come in right here, they always get start with a salary is 45,000. All right, so that default value. Then once you finish that, we are going to continue. We're going to another field called extension. All right, the extension also a short text. All right, so not only that, The short text here, extension number, and we have input max. That's we're going to have a template. So you click on input max and left click it, say yeah, we want to have save it, and come here right now. All right. So we save it. Now we're going to our input box. Input mask. Say next. And all right. So we're going to have our thing is uh, uh 999. So that's 1 2 3 4 999. Okay, so next and next. All right, so finish. So that's our input mask. Okay, then we're going to save the table and close it. Okay, and that complete our number 5. Let's move on to our number 6 right now. So number 6, add a job seeker table. Let's see the job seeker table. So let's see our job seeker table is right here. Add our job seeker table right here. Then we are going to delete the comments and also move the phone field, something like that. All right. So let's go to job seeker table right here. All right, and they want a data sheet view. This is data sheet view. So, so we want to perform some tasks on the data sheet view too. First, we want to delete the comments. We don't need it anymore. So delete it. Once we delete it, and we want to move the phone to the last field. So you select the phone here and hold your mouse on the left button and move until the dark line goes to last. After that, your last name need to sort by ascending order. That's A to Z. Then you finish this one and you can close right now. All right, so that complete step 7 now. Step 6. We are going to move on step 7. So step 7, we are going to go to a query design view. On a query design, we're going to have company and job. So 2 tables. Some field from company table, some field from job table, and also join these 2 tables. So shall we do it right now? So we are going to go to query design. Okay, so we are going to say create query design. Add a query design here. We know we're going to have a company table. Add it. We also want to have another table, and it's job table. Job table. So both table. I have 2 tables right now. I can close it. All right. When I have 2 tables here, I want a company name right here. Press enter. All right. And industrial here. Press enter. So 2 fields from my company. All right, then job title here, job title, 1 field, press enter. Another field, starting salary, another field. So 2 fields from company tables, company table, 2 fields from job table. So I have 2 right now. And I also want to create join. The join I want to create it is from company ID and match to the company here. Okay, match the company here. So company ID, I hold it, then I until I point to company. Right, so they are joined right now. Once they are joined, then we're going to save it, and this one is called high salaries. High salaries. Okay. Now, this high salary table is still on right now. We're going to do step 8. So step 8 is the table still on right now. We just want to add criteria. Starting salary is greater than equal to $50,000. So let's come here. So starting salary criteria has to be greater than 50,000 with four zeros. Okay, so once we do that, then let's check your datasheet view. Okay, that's correct. All right, so save it and close it. All right, so we're about halfway right now, and let's go number 9. We're going to use a simple query wizard. Okay, so this time we also two tables, a query wizard, but we use query wizard. We don't use query designer. Two tables, and some from one field, the other one some, and let's take a look how do we do that. Okay, so first of all, we're going to do query design. We are going to query wizard. So create, and the query wizard is right here. Okay, and simple query wizard. So first, we are going to take some from the job seeker. That's job seeker. So take everything. That's everything. After the job seeker, let's go to application. Application table. That's that table. I only want one field. Application is application date. Application date. That's only one. Application date. All right. So yeah, that's correct. And click on that one. So 5 right now. 4 from job seeker. The only one from the application. Next, and we want the detail. Next, all right. So this one, we want to name this as what? Application date. All right. So rename it right now. So finish. Okay, finish right now, and file, save it, and close. All right. So let's finish, and let's do next one right now. Next one, we move on to number 10. We're going to go to application listing query. So go to the second field, query right now. Application listing, that's the second one. And we also modify this. Okay. And so when we modify this, what happened is we only want the administrative assistant and user support director. Okay, at the job title right there. Okay, so let's come here, and when you go design view anyway, sorry, go to home, design view. Okay, as job title here, app job title here, we only need two kinds of job. Okay, two kinds of job. So two kinds of job. The one I want is administrative assistant. Control C. All right, and or the other type of the job I needed is user support director. Only that. Okay. Don't accept what they want. Okay. Control V. Okay. So we want that too. We want that two type of job. Okay. So you are either administrative assistant or the user support director. Okay. After that, the last name has to be ascending order. After I sort the last name, let's sort the first name. I sorted both right now. All right, I need to run the query. Now I have all these employee. They are either administrative assistant or they are user support directors. All right, so I finish this and I want to save it and close. Then I am moving out to my number 11. Number 11. Okay, so I have a director September query. Right here, I'm going to do this. I really want, as long as the job title has a director, just anywhere is fine. And also application date has to be after September 1, 2018. Alright, so let's follow the instruction and do it right now. So director, September, press enter. Let's go to the design view. Alright, so right here, the job title here is, I'm going to put the asterisk, that's mean wild card. Okay, anything in front is okay. Directed, DIRECTOR. Okay, and another asterisk. So as long as the title has a director anywhere, it's okay. Anyway, it's okay. Then application date has to be greater than September 1st, 2018. Okay, so once you do that, and we run the query, okay, so these are the people, their title has a director in either front or the back end. Alright, then the application date is only after September 1st, 2018. Alright, so once we finish that, we do file, save it, and we close it. Alright, so we are going to move on to number 12 right now. Number 12, we're going to learn how to do form wizard. Okay, form wizard. Now, we are going to make a form. Form is the one you saw it very often in the internet. So we create, and then you are going to do form wizard anyway. Form wizard, okay. Form wizard, we say we really want to create from the job table. So make sure you select correct one, job table. Everything is the second one. So all right, everything, and continue. All right, that's the layout. Okay, I accept that. Then that's fine. The name is going to go jobs entry. All right, finish. All right, so this is your job entry table. Okay, so file. We'll come back and save. Now let's try to do the let's do a report wizard. Okay, so use wizard is very easy to do it. Now report wizard, and report is usually for your supervisor or for your investor. Let's do it right here. Okay, so we are going to again from company table. All right, so we are going to create, okay, report wizard. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to do the company field. So company table, let me double check, company table. All right, so everything, so that's second one. All right, next, group by industry, that's fine. Okay, next, ascending by company name. So ascending company name. Next, stepped it and the portrait, that's what we want. Okay, so next, and this we want to rename as company listing, LISTING. All right, so finish. All right, so that's company listing. All right, so we are going to file, save it, and close. Now we are coming back to next steps, is our step 14. Step 14 will go to our job seeker entry form. We did that. Let me see. Yeah, we just did it. Job seeker entry form. Job seeker entry form. And where we are doing that, we are going to first name change to Jacob. Okay. replace Jack, and also add a new field, new record. Okay, so let's do it right now. So we are going to make sure we get it right. Job seeker entry. Okay, press enter. Job seeker entry. Okay, so add the job seeker entry is a form right now. So number one here, the Jack is going to replace by Jacob. So Jocob. Okay, we fixed that one. And we're going to add a new one. This one has 515. So we're going to not going to all one by one. So we're going to new, click it, and the auto number, no need to be worried. We're going to type Camila Escobar. Camila Escobar. Okay, so file, save it. All right, so now we are here right now. Let's go next step. Next step is this. All right, so our job seeker entry form is on. We change it to layout view. Layout is the like change appearance. Okay, then modify this. All right, so layout is change your appearance, how you look from the website, internet, this and that. Okay, so let's do it right now. So right here, the way to change how you look is a layout. Okay, sorry, we have to go to everything. So layout. At the layout view here, now we are at a layout view here right now. Okay, so layout is change how you look. So I really want all these three to be right aligned. So I select 1, 2, 3, all three of them. Then I go to format, the right align. All right, so that's right. So we basically just change how you look from the internet. Okay, from the application once you deploy it. All right, then we already added that and have a no, we haven't finished yet. Then the first name here, we really want it to be a space in between. Okay, that's a little bit clear. Same thing, last name here, let's have a space in between. All right, so let me double check right now. So I right align and have a space that look better, a little bit cleaner right now. All right, so there is a close button right here, has nothing to do. All right, let's delete it. Okay, now a little bit clean. All right, so let's do this right now. Let's continue. Step 16. Step 16 is our table is still on right now, so our entry form is still on right now. Let's add a phone field. We have a first name, last name, and phone. We add a phone field. Once you add a phone field right there, you want to change the color, add a color, add a quick style, something like that. Okay, so let's do it. Layout is how you look. So we're going to do it. So right here, and you want to click right here. All right. So add a design here. You want to click on add existing field. Add existing field. So there's a field right here. You actually have 4 fields right here. All right, I add a phone. Double click it. So phone goes here. Let me do it very close, slowly, and make sure the phone is goes right here and they line up. Okay, even though they line up, it's not very good. So I want to drag these to here so they kind of match. Man, maybe too much. Maybe let them line up. Okay. So once I finish that, they want you to do more. They say, oh, that has to be a black color. And to do that, I go to format. Okay, and this is a black color. Okay, so I change to the good color already. And they say, we don't want that. That looks very fluffy. Okay, want to cleaner. So I do, okay, click that. Then I do the quick style right here. And they want this kind of style. Okay, it's called colored outline blue accent 1. Let me see, color outline blue. Yeah, that's what they want to check. So we do this right now. So this is a little bit cleaner right now, a little bit cleaner. So we are going to do this. So we have this phone and everything looks good right now. Everything looks good. So save it and close it. Let's go next right now. Next one, we are going to go to another report. So this is job listing report. Okay, jobs listing report. Press enter. Job listing report right here. All right, add here, same thing. I need to change how you look. How you look is always layout view. Okay, add a layout view here. Okay, add a layout view here. I want it to be like this. Starting salary. Starting salary. Okay, when it's equal to greater than $70,000, then have a green color. So I'm going to select all the starting salary right now. Once I go to starting salary here, and I'm going to formatting. Okay, but I'm do conditional formatting, and the starting salary. I want to create a new rule. The new rule is this. All right. So field number is greater than 70,000, 70,000,040. Okay. If that, in that case, then the color right here is green 3. That's green 3. Green 3. All right. And after you have green 3, you say hit OK and OK. So now whoever whose salary is more than 70,000 has a green color right now. All right. So we are going to continue right now. Okay. So let's continue. So let's go to step 18. Step 18, say this list is still open right now. Okay, then we want to change the background color of starting salary label. All right, so that's here, starting salary label. Okay, we want to change to green color. It's okay. So we want to go to green color, and we also want to group these two label, and as one. Let me see, as a tabular layout. Okay, so first let's do these two right now. So on this label right here, okay, and we want it to be like a green color. It's okay. So we are going to do the same thing here. All right. Let me see, green 3. All right. So oh, I made a mistake. That's not that one. Okay, so let me go back to that, and that is this one. Okay, sorry. And green color fill. Okay, green 3. All right, so we want the same color right now. So I changed the background color. So background color is a fill color. All right, so to be green 3. So now I have that right now. I want to go to the here. This one I want to change the design. So I'm going to go to design. Not here, sorry. Arrange. Format. Hold on, let me see. Arrange. All right, so I'm select. Oh, it's in the arrange. Sorry. Select this one and hold that and select that one during the arrange. In the arrange, because I want to arrange how they look like, right? And tabular. All right. So once they are tabular right now, so they are looks much better right now. So they are tabular. I'm going to say home, save. All right. Let me double check. Do I need to do anything right here? Oh, that's it. So close. Let's move on to 19. So still on the layout view. Okay, job seeker listing. I'm going to do the theme color to green. So job seeker listing, I should not close it. And still on the layout view, stay layout view. On the layout view here, I want to change the theme color to green, Okay, so let's look for green. Theme color to green. And then the theme font to Franklin Gothic. Alright, so that's what I want, and you do what I want. Save and close. Then before you finish, you're going to compact, repair, or save as. And that concludes our assignment. And for 43 access, I hope you like the video.